What if your body is begging you for nutrients and you're ignoring the signs? You have dry skin, you're fatigued, anxiety issues, or brittle nails. They're just not quirks. They could be a red flag that you're running on empty. Today, I'll reveal 20 surprising signs you're nutrient deficient and what you can do about it before it becomes a bigger health problem. In this video, I'm breaking down 20 signs your body might be screaming for help and how to spot them early. Plus, I'll share which labs or evaluations you should consider and simple steps to fix the root cause. And at the end, I'll share the one silent deficiency most doctors overlook, yet it can wreck your metabolism, mood, and memory. All right, let's jump into the 20 signs you might be nutrient deficient. Number 1, you have cracks at the corners of your mouth. Deficiency is likely B2, which is riboflavin, B6, or iron. The fix: add eggs, beef liver, and salmon to your diet. And of course, you should check your iron level, ferritin, B12, and homocysteine level. Now, if you're a carnivore like me and still getting cracks, consider stomach acid or methylation issues. Number 2, burning tongue or mouth. Deficiency: B12 or iron. The fix: check B12 methylmalonic acid test is best, iron panel. It could also be linked to zinc, especially in older adults. Number 3, hair thinning or loss, something I should know a lot about, right? It's common in iron, zinc, biotin, and protein deficiencies. Your test should include iron panel, ferritin, zinc, and of course, make sure you're taking in enough protein. The natural fix: collagen-rich bone broths, oysters, and egg yolks. Number 4, white spots on nails. It tends to be linked to a zinc deficiency. The test: your plasma zinc. Not perfect, but very helpful. Foods to add to your diet to help: shellfish, red meat, pumpkin seeds. Number 5, muscle cramps, especially at night. Possible culprits: magnesium, calcium, or potassium. Tests: RBC magnesium, not serum, a complete metabolic profile for potassium, and when it comes to your diet, avocados, leafy greens, or supplement wisely. Number 6, you have constant fatigue despite enough sleep. Deficiencies: iron, B12, vitamin D. The test: a ferritin level, B12, D3. The fix: consider methylated B complex, more sun exposure, or liver. Number 7, tingling hands or feet. This could be signs of deficiencies in B12 or B1, which is thiamine deficiencies. The test: a methylmalonic acid or thiamine. The fix: eat more pork, eggs, nutritional yeast, or organ meats. Number 8, frequent cold sores. This can be linked to low lysine or excess arginine. Tip: eat more beef, cheese, or supplement with lysine. And keep in mind, it's best to avoid nuts and seeds temporarily during outbreaks. Number 9, pale or dull skin tone. Causes: deficiencies in iron, B12, or folate. Best tests: a CBC, ferritin, methylmalonic acid, or homocysteine. The fix: grass-fed liver, eggs, animal-based multi-nutrients. Number 10, depression or anxiety. This could be due to a deficiency in omega-3, magnesium, or B6. Best test: omega-3 index, magnesium, RBC, B6. Best foods to support this include salmon, sardines, organ meats, and dark chocolate. Number 11, restless legs at night. Deficiencies of iron and magnesium. The best labs: a ferritin level with an aim of greater than 50, magnesium, RBC. And don't forget to try electrolyte mixes which have magnesium, high iron containing foods, and iron supplementation. Number 12, bleeding gums or easy bruising. Classic signs of vitamin C deficiency. The fix: add lemon water or bell peppers. Carnivore tip: suet and thymus organ meats have vitamin C. And never forget that carnivores have a lower need for vitamin C because they're consuming foods that don't have a lot of glucose conversion. Number 13, slow wound healing, often caused by zinc or protein deficiency. The fix: add shellfish and collagen-rich meats. Labs: zinc, albumin, and total protein. Number 14, brain fog. Possible causes is a B12, an omega-3 index, and a 25 hydroxy vitamin D. The fix: cod liver oil, sardines, sunlight. Now I think I understand why my mom always gave me cod liver oil. Number 15, irregular heartbeat or palpitations. This could mean magnesium or potassium deficiency. Best labs, a complete metabolic profile, and a RBC magnesium. The fix, eat more avocados, drink bone broth, and eat leafy greens. Number 16, acne, especially on the jawline. This may be due to deficiencies in vitamin A, zinc, or a hormonal imbalance. The fix, eat liver because of its vitamin A content, oysters because of its zinc content, and of course, check a hormonal panel. Number 17, bumpy skin like chicken skin on arms. Linked to vitamin A deficiency or EPA, essential fatty acid deficiency. The fix, grass-fed butter, cod liver oil, fatty fish. Number 18, night blindness or trouble adjusting to dark. The classic is a vitamin A deficiency. The key to fix it is to add yolks, liver, or full-fat dairy. And of course to avoid ultra-low-fat diets. Number 19, brittle nails or spoon-shaped nails, often due to iron or biotin deficiency. The best test is an iron panel, ferritin, and a CBC. The fix, eat more eggs, liver, or biotin-rich foods. And finally, number 20, persistent sugar cravings. This may mean you have a deficiency in magnesium, chromium, or a protein deficiency. The labs include magnesium, blood glucose, and insulin levels. A simple tip is to add more animal protein and fat to stabilize blood sugar. And as I promised, here's the silent saboteur, choline deficiency. Most people don't even know this nutrient exists, but it's crucial for memory, liver detox, and even fat metabolism. Signs of deficiency include fatty liver, forgetfulness, and low endurance. The fix, egg yolks, liver, beef. In terms of testing, it's not commonly done, but liver enzymes and memory complaints may hint at it. If any of these signs sound familiar, don't ignore them. Your body is whispering before it starts screaming. Ask your doctor for the right labs. Fuel your body with nutrient-dense foods. And of course, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. Which sign surprised you the most? And hey, don't stop here. Watch this next video on the screen, which will help you continue your journey towards better metabolic health. Remember, you're not just what you eat, you are what you absorb. Let's fix the root cause and nourish the new way. I'll see you in the next video.